guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix your Windows update is not installing. If you are facing this type of problem guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method to fix this issue. So first you need to open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings, in the left panel you can get the option Windows update. Just click and open it, and in the right panel open advanced option like this, and here you can get the option download updates over metered connection. If the option was enabled, just you need to disable it. Okay, after disabling, now let's see your problem was fixed or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to check your C drive where your Windows OS was installed. Okay, so normally every user will install Windows OS in the C drive. Just you need to check your C drive storage. If the storage of C drive is full, you need to free up some storage from the C drive. After this guys, it will fix your problem. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to clear the temporary files from Windows 11. To clear it guys, hold Windows key button and press R, and here you need to type %temp percent. Okay, after this guys, just click on OK. Now it will show your all temporary files. Just select all this file and simply delete it. Okay, so after deleting these guys, you need to restart your PC, laptop, whatever you are using. You need to restart it once. After restarting, once again try to install the Windows update. Now it will fix your problem 100%. Still in case you are facing same type of problem guys, so last and final solution I am going to show you. Press Windows key button, and here you need to search CMD, means command prompt. Right click on it, open the command prompt in run as administrator mode. Okay, and here you need to type sfc space /scan. Now after this guys, just hit enter. Okay, so after the command is completed, close your command prompt and restart your PC one more time. After restarting, now it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix that issue. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.